Good morning. This is PW, and I'm here to show you how to be a lead editor for our Studio Broadcast Productions program here at Granada High School. In this portion, we'll be looking at synchronizing audio and video files together so that we end up with one complete clip. Now that we have everything properly named, we'll synchronize our video files with the H4n audio files. If this part confuses you at all, there is a much more detailed walkthrough and checkoff sheet about syncing video and audio files in Final Cut Pro. There is a video on YouTube and a checkoff sheet in class. We are going to select the two Take One files. Right-click on one of them and choose Synchronize Clips. This will create a new synced file with a chain link icon underneath them. We'll continue to do that for all 5 of these sets. Then we're going to double-click on the icon for the first synced file and open it up in its own timeline. Please note this is not our project timeline. If we click on the middle and play a bit, we can hear and see that it is synchronized well.
Services or online at the web store for $25.
While it's playing, I'm going to reduce the camera audio down to negative infinity.
After the test, you will receive a score report showing your strengths and weaknesses.
Then I'll adjust the H4n audio so that the meter is peaking at 0.
That provides the opportunity to finish your last 2 years of high school at Las Positas College. Participating students earn both high school and college credits while in the program. Middle College will be accepting applicants from students in the classes of 2020 and 2021.
If you listen to the audio quality here, you'll hear that the H4n audio from the lavalier microphones is so much better than the camera audio.
Showing your strengths and weaknesses.
The Middle College High School program at Las Positas College is an exciting option for high school students. It is an educational program that,
by and large, they're peaking at the correct level of 0. We'll check the second anchor and make sure that it's close.
Would you like to travel the summer of 2020? Spots for the New Zealand and Australia 2020 trip are filling up fast.
Take 1 is usually a difficult take. Anchors are usually just reading it for the first or second time. We'll go ahead and do this to all 5 synced files.
tryouts will be held from Monday, January 28th through Wednesday, January 30th at 3:30 p.m. each day. Those tryouts will take place at Poppy Ridge. If you're
having a difficult time getting your levels of audio to adjust at the correct level, you can click on the Timeline Settings button and increase the height of your clips. Doing this increases the scale and makes it easier to adjust by individual decibels. Now we'll finish up our last one.
Or ACT. Students can pick up a test and register in Student Services or online at the web store for $25. After the test, you will receive a score report showing your strengths and weaknesses. And register in Student Services or online at
students. It is an educational program that provides the opportunity to finish.
Now we'll hit the timeline back arrow until we're back at our project timeline called Week 6 Video Eleviso Practice, Your Name and Partner's Name.